We will destroy Gotham. Then you have my permission to die. Uh-oh. Now that's a good one right there. Y'all seen what's the damn movie? Fight Club. Uh-oh. You seen Fight Club. You have to destroy the ego. You have to destroy that part of you that wants to be human. You have to destroy the idea of your human self, right? That conformed self, right? Tyree Watson, David Harris, Dante, Will, you have to destroy that part of you. Justin Hamilton, you have to destroy the human. And you have to move in a space of chaos. Destroy the world. That's what Fight Club was all about. Destroying the whole world around you. Right? So once you destroy that human, guess what? It dies off. Right? That human is gone. He is no more to be found. Nigga, you are another type of entity. Nobody can tell you shit. You in a different boat. You a chaos being. What the fuck are you playing small for? These motherfucking humans can't tell you a motherfucking thing. Destroy the world around you. You think these people can tell you something and you know way more stuff than they will ever fathom? They can't tell you shit. They are in the comfort zone. Play it safe. Be a robot. Do this, do that. What are you waiting for? You gonna live your whole life being a human, or you gonna turn up and become the god? All right, let's keep moving. Hey, somebody gonna get it.
Message.
Hey, and yeah, I'm talking to you, nigga.